A Japanese advanced driving instructor once told me a phrase I never forgot. Here we don't just take care of the car, we give back what it does for us. I thought it was one of those poetic metaphors you only hear in Japan, but then he explained something that completely threw me off. An engine should last as long as you do, and if it gets dirty, you don't disassemble it, you clean it from the inside with discipline. What you are about to discover is exactly that, the methods used by the most experienced mechanics in Japan. The simplest, most effective, and safest methods. Methods that work from the tank, from the intake, from the throttle body, and from the combustion itself. And the best part, you don't need to remove a single injector. Here begins the true Japanese method for cleaning fuel injectors without the need to remove them. Be careful, because number 2 is something you've probably done without knowing it. Number 10. Preventive cleaning with polyethylamine additives. If there's one product the Japanese love almost as much as their robots and bullet trains, it's the P additive. Not just any additive, only those containing polyethylamine, the most effective molecule on the market for dissolving carbon deposits without damaging metal, rubber, or sensors. The instructor explained it to me very directly. An engine with mediocre gasoline is an engine that gets contaminated every day. A good additive cleans it without needing to touch anything, and he was right. P isn't marketing or a modern invention, it's pure chemistry. When it comes into contact with a sediment that forms inside the injectors, it softens it, loosens it, and turns it into tiny particles that burn with the fuel. But of course, not all additives work. If the bottle says, total cleaning for $5, the reality is that it probably will only clean out your wallet. And yes, this comment might sound harsh, but it's real. Most cheap additives don't even contain PEA in useful quantities. They only have light solvents that are good for little more than scenting the gasoline. The Japanese method establishes 3 basic rules for using P correctly. The first is that it should be applied every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, depending on the fuel quality in the country. In Japan, where gasoline is impeccable, they do it every 10,000. But in Latin America or some places in Europe, every 5,000 is ideal. The second rule is to apply it when the tank is between a quarter and half full, to increase concentration and ensure the additive goes straight through the system. The third is that the car should be driven for at least 20 continuous minutes after adding it, to prevent the chemicals from settling at the bottom of the tank. It's also important to clarify something few mention. P does not clean the fuel filter, does not repair pumps, and does not correct electrical faults. But it does clear most of the deposits that clog the injectors and deteriorate the spray pattern. And that, translated into real driving, means the engine regains its smoothness, stops shaking, responds better to the throttle, and in many cases, reduces consumption by 5 to 12%. The Japanese don't wait for the car to fail. They clean beforehand, they maintain beforehand, and they prevent beforehand. That is the secret. They don't do a deep clean when the car is already suffering. They keep it clean so it never gets to that point. 9. Throttle body cleaning spray without disassembly. If the injectors are the eyes that spray the fuel, the throttle body is the mouth through which the engine breathes. And if that mouth is dirty, even if the injectors are clean, the engine will still run poorly. That's why the second pillar of the Japanese method involves cleaning the throttle body without removing it, using a specialized spray. This method, although it sounds simple, requires precision. The Japanese instructor explained to me that most instances of unstable idle, sluggish acceleration, or slight vibrations don't come directly from the injectors, but from a dirty throttle plate that doesn't allow air to enter an exact amount the engine needs. The interesting thing is that cleaning this part not only improves air intake, but also indirectly helps the injectors, because if the air-fuel mixture improves, combustion is more complete. And if combustion is more complete, the burned residues that return to the injector are reduced. The Japanese procedure is very clear. First, start the engine and let it warm up to normal temperature. Do not accelerate. Do not play with the pedal. Then turn it off. Once everything is stable, remove the air filter duct to expose the throttle plate. At this point, use an intake cleaning spray, not just any, but one designed for electronic sensors. The Japanese never ever use carburetor cleaners on an electronic throttle body. Not because it doesn't work, but because it can damage the internal coating and dry out gaskets that later cost more than the entire month's maintenance. The trick is to spray small amounts and manually open the throttle plate without forcing it. A soft microfiber cloth, never a rough one, is used to remove the dirt. The black deposits that come out look like wet charcoal. That's exactly what it is. When that layer comes off, the engine breathes with the smoothness of a new car. When finished, start the engine again. It's normal for it to sound strange or for the RPM to rise a bit for a few seconds. It's burning the spray residue. The Japanese let it stabilize for a few minutes and then drive gently for 10 minutes to allow the ECU to relearn the correct airflow. This method, although it doesn't directly touch the injectors, is a key part of the process. An engine that breathes well burns well, and one that burns well contaminates its injectors much less. That's why in Japan, they consider it almost mandatory before applying any additive or more advanced technique. Coming in at number 8 is a simple yet effective preventative measure, using fuel stabilizers. Now, this is especially important if you have a car that you don't drive every day. Maybe it's a weekend warrior or a car you store during certain seasons. When fuel sits in the tank for a long time, it can start to break down and oxidize. This process can create gummy deposits and varnish that can clog up your fuel system, including those very sensitive fuel injectors. A good quality fuel stabilizer prevents this degradation. It keeps the fuel fresh and stable for months, even up to a year or more, depending on the product. Think of it as a preservative for your gasoline. It is incredibly easy to use. You just pour the recommended amount directly into your gas tank before you fill it up. It's a cheap and easy insurance policy against fuel-related headaches down the line, ensuring that when you're ready to drive, your car starts right up and runs smoothly, without any sputtering from clogged injectors. Alright, moving on to number 7, we have long-action detergents. Don't confuse these with the quick-fix injector cleaners you see everywhere. Long-action detergents are a different breed. They are specifically formulated for a slow, gentle, but thorough cleaning process that happens over the course of one or more full tanks of gas. These additives contain powerful cleaning agents like P or polyethylamine, which is fantastic at dissolving stubborn carbon deposits that build up on injector nozzles, intake valves, and in the combustion chamber. The idea here isn't a sudden, aggressive flush, which can sometimes dislodge large chunks of debris and cause more problems. Instead, it's a clean-as-you-drive approach. You add it to your fuel tank, and as you go about your normal driving, the detergent works its magic, gradually breaking down and burning away the carbon buildup. Using a quality long-action detergent every few thousand miles is a great proactive maintenance step to keep your entire fuel system in top shape, not just the injectors. Now for number 6. A method that's both effective and, let's be honest, a lot of fun. The high RPM road flush, or what many enthusiasts affectionately call an Italian tune-up. The concept is simple. Modern cars, especially those used for short city commutes, rarely get to stretch their legs. They operate at low RPMs, which can lead to carbon accumulating in the engine and fuel system. To combat this, you need to get the engine hot and spinning fast. Find a safe open stretch of road, like a highway on-ramp or a quiet country road where it's legal and safe to do so. After your engine is fully warmed up, you'll want to run it through the gears, letting the RPMs climb higher than usual, say, into the 4,000 to 5,000 RPM range. Before shifting, you don't need to redline it or drive recklessly. Just a few spirited accelerations are enough. The increased temperature and fuel flow through the injectors act like a pressure washer, helping to blast away soft carbon deposits and keep things clean. It's a free and enjoyable way to help maintain your engine's health. Let's talk about number 5, the pressurized cleaning kit. This is a step up from fuel tank additives and is a more direct, concentrated approach to cleaning your injectors. These kits usually come with a canister of potent cleaning solvent and a hose that connects directly to your engine's fuel rail. The process involves disabling your car's fuel pump, connecting the kit, and then running the engine directly off the cleaning solution in the canister. This means your injectors are getting a pure, undiluted blast of powerful detergents, which is incredibly effective at dissolving tough baked-on deposits that regular additives might not touch. It's a bit more hands-on and requires some mechanical comfort, as you'll be disconnecting fuel lines. But for the DIY enthusiast, it's a fantastic tool that delivers professional-level results at a fraction of the cost. It is one of the best ways to restore that crisp throttle response and smooth idle you've been missing. At number 4, we have something you can do every single time you visit the pump. Use top-tier fuel. You've probably seen the top-tier logo at certain gas stations. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. Top Tier is a performance standard for gasoline developed by a consortium of major automakers, including many Japanese brands like Honda, Toyota, and Subaru. They recognized that the minimum detergent levels required by the government just weren't enough to prevent carbon buildup in modern, high-tech engines. Top-tier certified gasoline contains a significantly higher concentration of high-quality detergent additives compared to standard, non-certified fuel. Consistently using this fuel works as a constant preventative measure, cleaning your injectors and intake valves with every mile you drive. It helps prevent deposits from forming in the first place, which is always better than trying to clean them out later. While it might cost a few cents more per gallon, the long-term benefits for your engine's health and performance are well worth it. Okay, we're entering the top 3, and at number 3 is taking your car in for a professional injector cleaning service. This is where you leave it to the experts. Many reputable auto shops offer a service that's similar to the DIY pressurized kit we just discussed, but they use more advanced equipment and often more potent, professional-grade solvents. The technician will hook up a specialized machine to your fuel rail and run the engine on a concentrated cleaning solution. They have the experience to do this safely and effectively on a wide range of vehicles. This service is a great option if you're not comfortable working on your own fuel system or if you're dealing with significant drivability issues like rough idling, hesitation, or poor fuel economy that additives haven't been able to fix. It provides a thorough, deep clean that can often restore injector performance to near-new condition, giving you a noticeable improvement in how your car drives. Coming in hot at number 2 is the carbon cleaning machine, often known as a decarbonization or de-coke service. This is a heavy-duty, comprehensive treatment that goes beyond just cleaning the injectors. These machines often perform a multi-stage process. Some use a hydrogen-based system that circulates a gas through the engine's air intake while it's running. This gas drastically increases the temperature of combustion, effectively vaporizing and burning off hard carbon deposits from the injectors, pistons, valves, and even the turbo and exhaust components like the catalytic converter. Other systems use a powerful 2- or 3-part chemical process. It's a holistic cleaning for your engine's entire internal system. This is the go-to solution for high-mileage engines or those suffering from severe carbon buildup. The results can be truly transformative, restoring lost power, smoothing out the engine, and improving emissions. It's an investment, but for bringing a tired engine back to life, it's one of the most effective treatments available. And finally, we've arrived at the number 1 most important method for maintaining your fuel injectors and your entire vehicle, following the manufacturer, scheduled maintenance. It might not be the most exciting answer, but it is, without a doubt, the most crucial. Japanese auto manufacturers are renowned for their engineering and reliability, and their recommended service intervals are there for a reason. These schedules are meticulously designed based on extensive research and testing to keep your car running optimally for a very long time. This schedule will tell you when to replace your fuel filter, which is your first line of defense against contaminants reaching the injectors. It will specify when to change spark plugs and air filters, which ensures efficient combustion and prevents conditions that lead to carbon buildup. Adhering to the maintenance schedule is the ultimate proactive approach. It's about preventing problems before they even start. By simply following the book, you're ensuring that every component of your car's complex system is working in harmony, which is the absolute best way to guarantee the health and longevity of your fuel injectors and your entire engine. So there you have it, 8 powerful ways to keep the fuel injectors in your Japanese car clean and happy. From simple fuel additives to comprehensive professional services, there's a solution for every car and every owner. Remember, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which method you use for your car. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.